So hello everyone, I am Shaunak and welcome to your channel. Hope every aspirants are doing well in their studies. I am here going to make a video on how I rate NCERT in my exam days and everything I will tell you. So let me start with NCERT Bio. Most of you read NCERT like a storybook. But let me remind you, NCERT is not a storybook. It's a Bible for NEET. You have to crack NEET and gather the information or anything that is connected with NCERT but slightly not written in the textbook. That's the trick to crack NEET. So first go through the textbook. No need to understand. If you are a first time reading, so you don't need to understand. You just go through it. But go through it at least for the first time. Then listen any lectures, like I prefer Tarun sir for botany and Guruma, Dr. Akanksha ma'am for zoology. So my biology base was strong and I never scored less than 340 in any test except supreme hard one, also 320 to 30. I maintain between 320 to 355. Okay, 360 also I scored. So it is not impossible to score 316 bio. I also scored 355 in NEET, ReNEET 2026. So you have to read NCERT and memorize it, but not like mugging up all. So you need to be clever, smart, and note everything you are just not able to memorize. So you have to just write it down and so here I am going to just show my example, one example of chapter of each class 11 and 12 biology NCERT textbook. So as you can see, it is my NCERT 11 textbook. So you have to read it from the very first. You can't skip this one also. So the biggest pain like this, the biggest pain of such studies was the recognition of the sharing of similarities among living organisms both horizontally and vertically. So NTA can give such type of question to make the question bio level difficult. So you should not skip this also. And then I am showing the author, about the author or any scientist, Ernst Mayr. So just read it, price, and just he almost single-handed. Also by chance NTA set a question from this, then what will you do? So first read it. So you have to memorize all thing, price, then his contribution to the botany world and everything, then come to the main text. Wait, I am showing you the chapter biological classification. Don't use highlighter first, it's my request to you. Don't use because you highlight every word, then you cannot distinguish which one to understand more or read more. Highlighter is a distinguisher between those two. So I never used highlighter at first go through it, then highlight, then when you have read the whole chapter, then you underline or write it down. See Carlos, it's missing there, so I have noted down. And everything, plant, bacteria and fungi kingdom in the 5 kingdom. Tarun sir, I used to hear lectures of Tarun sir. So everything. Then I have highlighted and see, you can see this, and then these diagrams you have to memorize. You have to memorize this air bladder, front, midrib, front, the daughter colony, front, and this also. Examples are must, and this example, from example they will not give, but pictures they will give, and they will give the description. So you should read and understand all things. So here you can see all thing, and then what I am trying to say, summary. Most of you skip summary, but that's not the way. From summary also, like main text, in main text I'm showing in the first chapter only, you can see at this line, taxonomic categories of various species of plants and animals are useful in agriculture, forestry, and industry, and in general for knowing our bioresources and their diversity. It is not written in the text, but written in your summary. So you will tell that it is not written in text and another, but it is written in summary. You should not skip it, because they will say it from summary. They want to test how much you just mugging up or understanding the basics, or this. You should start from not here, there. Unit 2. So unit 2 from there, and those you don't have to read all this. You will say I have to memorize here also. No need. Just read it. Contribution. Dr. Plant Anatomy, when published. The Anatomy of Seed Plants. Contribution. And prizes, if possible. So you can. And family important. Family. So I have followed the old textbook, because in new textbook many parts are missing. So I preferred old textbook, because I have no faith in NTA, what they will give and from where. So I have followed the old one. You should also follow the old one, and unless there is massive change in syllabus, which will not happen in 2027, I guess. So you should follow the old one. Understand? And these pictures though are important. What to tell? Zoology I have followed Akanksha ma'am. I have just frog and all. So this is I am trying to say. You have to first read, then highlight. You have to highlight. So memorizing power will increase. Therefore, this and this, like I am showing you a diagram. You did not notice, I guess. You all wait. This diagram. You have read all the things: cerebrum, midbrain, hindbrain, spinal cord, cerebral, aqueduct, cerebellum, and all. You will tell what is new in this diagram. There is my aspirants. See, diagram showing sagittal section of the human brain. Sagittal what is not written in any text, any line of this paragraph, but it is written below the diagram. Sagittal section means left and right equal halves. So they will give question. They will tell, why have you not read the diagram question? So they will frame a question. So that's I am trying to say. And this mistakes in ln. So I have note in this empty spaces. No need to make a copy. Just you will forget. Just what was that collection of Cyton? Oh, okay. So nuclei collection of this acha. Just turn the page and you will see. And this summary is so important. So that's what I am trying to say. I have planned that for 12 also, and 12 I am saying it's old, so halka tone, huh? So this human diagram important. So everything. So I will make a detailed video on this next. And genetics, if you want, then I can share with some data also. This data is important. You can't avoid the data. Lack of your own question every year. You can't skip. You can't skip this table also. I remember this table before sitting for the NEET exam. Promoter, everything. This chapter is the base. What to tell? This chapter is the base of everything. Without it, your body will not function. And everything. Base pair and nucleotide. They will change a little word and you will just fall into the trap. So data important, information important, and if you find any extra, note it down in ncert. That will help you to memorize this chart. Invertebrates, vertebrates, and ncert has written many things that will confuse you, but we should follow ncert as our bible. So okay, I will make a next video on wait, I am showing you for physics. So here I am with physics solution. Everyone is telling what to follow in physics. I saw what to follow, from where we can do physics numericals. I will tell the best book for physics is this, H.C. Verma, part 1 and part 2. I have both the parts. It is for 11, I think. It is for 11. No, 12 is also there. It is the light part, volume, light waves and all. So I have part 2 also. Hope everyone has H.C. Verma at least. H.C. Verma. And PYQ you can follow. I followed JMN PYQ from Allen only. They gave a JMN PYQ where all the 2013 from 2013 year to recent years also I have practiced JMN PYQ, and I have scored 100 in physics in RENET. So you can follow for a conceptual clarity. H.C. Verma is perfect. So for detailed physics video, I will make a next video I am trying to make. So please write it down on your comment. And for physics, I followed Temar sir and Salim sir respectively, and from one teacher. And for chemistry, physical chemistry, I have followed Sudhanshu sir, and inorganic I have followed Mohit sir, and for organic obviously Pankaj sir. So you can see my note. This is my note copy. For inorganic, and organic I am not trying to find. I will find and send you. Okay, so I will tell you in the next video. My battery is running low. Okay, so bye.